Yeah, hello, this is Ate Del Dumondon updating in Central, in Worldwide House. There. Halo-halo tayo. Yeah. Just only 1 minute. Yeah. Halo-halo tayo. Yan ginagawa nila yung ice cream. Ang daming laman yung halo-halo. $38 only. There. Ang Team Kalingap. Shout out kay Santos Matubang. Ate Edna Vlogs, Kalingap Rob. Sa mga ambassadors, deputies ng Team Kalingap. Shout out mga subscriber, mga solid supporter ng Team Kalingap. Magandang hapon. This is Ate Del Dumondon in Hong Kong. Worldwide.